Brad Lawler, Home Team Inspection. Marcus contacted us with a concern that's all too common during a deep freeze, which, boy, did we have one the other day. His furnace has been running around the clock, and now it's making a sound that he's never heard before. And so he's wondering, with the furnaces being pushed to their limit, what tends to break down first? Yeah. And then how old is an aging system? And how quickly and how often for an inspection? So we got a couple of questions.
Okay.
There.
Yeah. Some of the things that happen when those motors are turning for a long time, the fan bearings go out. So you'll start hearing a rattling or a high pitched noise at times. They come in different forms. Those motors, some last 5 years. Some the one in my daughter's house went out at 1 year. It was, under warranty, which is fine. But yeah, it went out at a year. So, 5 to 10 years, should last. Some of them, if you're fortunate, some systems will last for 20. But yeah, if you hear any sort of odd noise while the system's running, go back, talk to your HVAC tech, because the sound probably isn't going to get better, and more damage could be done if you don't take care of the problem early on.
When is it too old for an HVAC? 20 years?
Oh,
Is that already?
we see, we see, 20, 25-year-old, furnaces. Home Team's inspected. The oldest one we found, the furnace goes back to 1912.
Whoa.
And it's still operating. Yep. So we see some of these,
they're still shoveling that coal.
Yeah. 40s, it's still burning oil.
They don't make them like they used to.
They don't.
That's right.
Yeah, we've seen them from the 40s and 50s, but some that are being installed, in the last 10 years are already, starting to, become a maintenance nightmare. So it kind of depends on, there's a wide array of equipment that you can buy. There's a lot of price points. Some people buy, less pricey equipment that's just not going to last as long. Others, buy high-end equipment that, you may get 20, 25, 30 years out of, properly maintained.
And remember to change your filter. And as a follow-up, a month or so ago, we talked about the MERV factor, the 8 and 13. And Brad said, listen, go with the 13. Brad was right. So I bought the 13s, and the dust has minimized in the house.
Good.
And so I'm pretty impressed with that, just so you know. That's pretty good. Of course, it's freezing in the house now, but no, I'm just kidding. That's just a little aside, yeah. All right. Just remember to change your filters.
That's
at least.
Called the thermostat, Bob.
Yeah, check that thermostat. I like to keep it lower in the cold weather to save a little money, but okay. We are out of time. Went very fast, I know, folks. We thank Chuck Crosby, the Crosby Law Offices. They do real estate closings. They also do wills, so important as we enter 2026 now. Powers of attorney, specific powers of anything. He's a good guy, and we'll tell you that if he doesn't do it, he knows somebody who does. You can reach Chuck at 499-6360. Also, we thank Brad Lawler, owner of Home Team Inspection Service and Team Bug Out. You can reach Brad to get your home inspected and also get rid of those pesky little critters and whatever is running through your house. 844-411-TEAM. Thinking of selling your home? Love to help you. We come out, it's me, free, no obligation discussion of what is involved, what do you need to do or not do. And then no home too big, no home too small, Louisville, southern Indiana, surrounding counties. And if you're not sold within 59 days, we'll buy it from you. That's how sure we will buy your home if we don't sell it. We know we do the job, and we'll get it done for you. Reach me at 376-5483. That's 376-LIVE. Or go to bobsellslouisville.com. And then for a free, no-obligation estimate of what your home's worth, go to WeSellLouisville.com and click on the top of the page, and then fill out the information and hit submit. We hope you had a great New Year's Eve and New Year's Day and a New Year's weekend, and we hope to see you next Sunday right here on News Radio 840 WHAS.